ocean is correct. You're the first group to, but every single person to guess it correctly. I congratulate y'all.
We're geniuses.
So, think of a hurricane like this. It gets its primary source of fuel from warm water and low pressure. That means if a hurricane goes onto land, like Hurricane Matthew, it might be devastating to the area, but it's going to dissipate very quickly because it loses that base of warm water. So, as I said, Hurricane Matthew, I got the honor of seeing it over Ocean Isle. I saw the eye of the storm. And of course, that came and it devastated most of Brunswick County and the surrounding areas, but just Brunswick County and the surrounding areas. Now, the four of you in front are probably too young to remember this. Everybody else is definitely old enough. Hurricane Sandy, it happened around 2011, 2012. It's known as a superstorm because it stayed around for over a month, followed the Gulf Stream, which was its warm water source, up and down the East Coast, and caused well over $1 billion in damage. Crazy, isn't it? And that is the difference between a storm following the ocean or going on land. Now that I've gotten the boring science lesson over, can I actually tell you something fun?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Fun, finally.
Well, this is a fun exhibit. I just had to teach a science lesson with it. So, has anybody heard of the Xbox?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, at least half of you, that's good. I know 9-year-olds that play on it now. Has anybody heard of the Kinect camera? Probably not.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So the Kinect camera as a video game device was pretty much a flop in the market. It just didn't compete well with the other products and services being available. But it's the thing currently powering this entire exhibit, or at least most of it.
Wow.
In its most basic form, the Kinect camera is still a 3D camera. So what we're doing is we're taking essentially 3D video of this surface. We're using CAD software down below to model it, assign color values to the various heights, and simulate gravity. And then we're using a projector to show that color. Now, you remember how I said we simulate gravity?
Yeah.
I just said it 10 seconds ago. So, so of course I'm playing the power of God, but watch how the water moves. It's always going to move to the lowest point, and it seems to have weight. If we didn't simulate gravity, it would just sit. But because we do simulate gravity, we're able to show watershed and how it will move. And of course, I can always change it to lava and sheep.
Lava, Carter.
Choose lava.
How
Now,
cool would this be?
if you want to
GPS
summon this
and
yourself,
memory
you open up your
classroom.
palm and slowly move it. The gestures are a little bit wonky, but generally it'll work. Now, that's the end of my lecture. If anybody has questions, I'll be more than happy to help answer y'all.